I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. Look all around, there's nothing but blue sky. Look straight ahead, nothing but blue sky. Hello guys, today we're taking a look at I Can See Clearly Now by Johnny Nash. I heard this song about 15 years ago for the first time in one skate video, and since then it always brings really nice memories for me. I hope it's the same for you. If not, maybe you can make brand new good memories with it. So let's see how we are doing it. On a high G string ukulele in the original key. Grab yours and let's go. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be okay, so the chords in this song are pretty easy. Maybe the most challenging thing is to get the rhythm right, because it has this tu 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 tu, which I'm trying to achieve with a little combination of plucking strings and strumming. So let me explain to you what I'm doing on the first chord, which is the chord of D, which also the song starts with, and it's the first chord of the main part. So let's grab the D chord. I'm grabbing it like this. Maybe for you it's easier with 3 fingers. It doesn't really matter, whichever is easier for you, just grab it. And what I'm doing is I'm plucking the C string, and then I'm doing down, up, and this is on 1 and 2 and 3, and then on the offbeat after 3 I'm plucking again, and immediately 1 down strum, and that's how the whole thing ends. So slowly, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Alright, let's try to speed it up a little bit. So basically this is the main rhythmic part that I'm doing on the ukulele, but also after that, when I grab the G chord, instead of plucking the C string, I'm plucking the E string on the 3rd fret. Or actually you can do it with open G string. Okay, so let's see the main part. It starts with D to G to 2 times D. I can see all obstacles. Here we go to A. And when I'm playing A, I'm plucking the G string on the 2nd fret, all right? The note A. Then the 3rd line is exactly the same as the first one. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a... And here we go to the chord of C. And I just do 1 down strum. It's gonna be a bright, bright. On G again. Bright, sunshiny day. And we get back to... In the first verse, this last line is repeated 2 times. In the 2nd verse is repeated just 1 time, and after that we go immediately to the bridge. And after the bridge we have another verse in which we are just sticking to this last line. We repeat it and the song fades out. Alright, let's see how the bridge goes. We go to F. Look all around, there's nothing but blue to see sky. Again F. Look straight ahead, nothing but a blue sky. And here we go to C sharp minor, which I'm grabbing like this. Okay. If that's too hard for you, you can just mute the G string and bar on the 4th fret the rest of the strings. All right. And then to G. Again C sharp minor. Again G. And then we have C to B minor. If B minor is hard for you like this, you can just bar on the 2nd fret like this. And then we have A. And here on this A, the rhythmic part goes something like. Okay, let's figure out the strumming I'm doing in the bridge. So on F, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Here I'm keeping it simple. Nothing but blue sky. Up, down, 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 up, and here down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'm trying to build a little bit more tension and then get back to the 3rd verse, which also leads to the outro after that. We keep repeating the last line. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. Oh, bright, bright, sunshiny day. I don't know, you can improvise on the end. So that was my take of I Can See Clearly Now by Johnny Nash. It's a very beautiful song, especially in the spring in the northern hemisphere right now. So add it to your book and go to play it somewhere. I'm pretty sure that people will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, request songs in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.